Since I was quite impressed with their previous electric driver, I decided to try out something different this time from their inventory. Here is the HOTO portable vacuum and duster all-in-one. It retails for around 80 bucks on their website, and spoiler alert, it actually works really well. As for the unboxing, all the accessories are neatly divided and secure in the box, while also wrapped individually in plastic bags. Let's go over them one by one. You get a carrying pouch, a slim attachment for tight areas with a sliding brush. This pointy thing is for anything inflatable. Then a small cleaning brush for the filter. This is the blower nozzle, a standard charging USB cable, a dust cone adapter, then a familiar 2-in-1 vacuum brush. Now on to the clever stuff. This is the dust container which houses the modular washable filter with an automatic flap. It's a proprietary item, but you can buy them in multi-packs. I link them for you in the description, plus they should last ages. Finally, the instruction manual and the star of the show is the vacuum and blower unit. So it's really easy, just screw in what accessory you need. Mine knew the end where the Type-C charging port is. That's the exhaust aka blower side, because on the opposite end we have the suction vacuum port. The dust container goes in one way due to its locking tabs of different sizes. Same for the accessories that lock in. Now the user interface is also dead easy. A long press on the power button will start it into the second most powerful mode out of the 3 available. Then a single press will go into the lower mode, so only one LED will be on. Apparently it's rated up to 20,000 pascals regarding suction power, which by vacuum cleaner standards it's quite a lot. This is reached on the boost mode activated by its separate button. Now let's try it out. Even in the second mode, it was grabbing my chair's cover. The brush is excellent for carpets, as you can see. Now the narrow attachment is perfect for my car. Finally, the blower is a lifesaver for my keyboard, which is a dust magnet. Again, all of these tests I have done in the second mode, so boost will be even more capable. Cleaning it is again a hassle-free experience, regardless the way you want to do it, either with a brush or just blowing into it. It has a 2500 mAh integrated battery, which will charge via Type-C. As for the run times, it will last up to 10 minutes in boost mode, 14 minutes in the regular mode, and 34 minutes in the lowest mode. I think more than plenty for any quick jobs. Right then. I think this is another easy win for HOTO, since they delivered yet again with a product that does exactly what it says on the box. Given its specs, runtime, hassle-free maintenance, and included accessories, this is a must-have item for anybody that wants a quick and efficient cleaning experience.